I have suffered from sciatica for quite some time already, mga 6 years ago.
6 years. Even you're a doctor, did you not treat yourself?
I did. We've tried acupuncture, we've tried all the NSAIDs, except that the reason why I was looking for alternative because NSAIDs hanggang paracetamol and then mefenamic lang ako. Allergic ako all the other NSAIDs up. So after 2 months of mefenamic, biglang nag-asthma na ako. So cancel ulit yon. Paracetamol na lang yung pwede sa pain. Then we also tried physical therapy, which did not last long. I even got worse with physical therapy.
Grabe naman to.
And then acupuncture provided good resolution, but the pandemic occurred. So we also tried chiropractor, temporary. I did not see the pain gets lost and then hindi siya progressive yung healing. So in other words, we got to meet Morris after January siya nagte-text kay Mark. We were parang ayaw na namin ng ganyan. But anyway, end of February, the fingers were already getting very painful. And then the pain did not want to go away. So we were something like desperate to find a relief for the pain. So we met up with Morris in March 1, and then he blowered my hands with just did the blowering about 10 to 15 minutes lang. My hands were able to fold well with there was still a little bit of stiffness, but we could really fold the hands. And then after we traveled from Rosales going to Manila. Something like
Rosales
to Tarlac.
Something
yes.
happened.
In that span of time, the pain got lost. So in the van pa lang, I don't feel the pain anymore in my hands.
Hands back and knees.
Yeah.
No more pain.
Yeah. The knees there was still stiffness.
Stiffness.
And then we got to Manila. He did the whole procedure, the blowering procedure. Years I had very deep sleep.
After how many years?
Yes, because it's a six-year ordeal. It was a 6-year ordeal for me.
What is the pain? Pain level? 1 to 10?
About 8.
8? Continuous or intermittent?
Intermittent.
But she'd wake up crying.
Wow.
She'd have nightmares because of the pain. Yeah.
Because of the pain.
That's a daily occurrence.
Daily?
Yes.
What kind of change life?
Yeah. And then all of a sudden, parang, oh, I can open my eyes. Tapos parati ko na kang ganyan.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Then after that, diretso na.
Yeah.
That's why I really like the product because sustained it did not come back after a few days. Still, the edema of the hands nawawala na. And then the pain, wala na. When you were in Malaysia, I was able to wear heels again. Yes! Imagine that. Before hanggang rubber shoes na lang, and then I walk like a penguin kasi parang pag may maling move, baka sasakit na naman yung pain from the back going down, and then from the back going to the hands.
And Shansi, tell us what happened in the restaurant. You were having coffee.
Wait, I can't remember.
Where you fell down.
Yeah.
Where you fell down.
I forgot.
You fell down, your seat gave way.
Oh, yeah. That was last Tuesday lang yun.
Oo.
Yeah. I was having coffee and then I pushed the chair backward. The chair broke. I was so embarrassed kasi, what do you call it? Bloopers?
Just for laughs.
Yeah. But then, I was able to get up.
Wow!
The chair broke like
By
that.
yourself?
Yeah, I was able to get
But
up.
dati hindi.
No, pag bumagsak ako,
That's it.
somebody has to pick me up.
Oh.
Yeah. And I was using a cane several years already. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the last conference I was in a cane already.
Doctor's conference.
Yeah.
Wow.
Mm-mm. That was 2019. I was using a cane.
So right now, Doctor, what's your...
And I feel so young. I did not wear the heels because we're going to takbo-takbo.
Ilang years yung binaba?
So this pain has been with you for how many years?
Almost 6 years, yes.
And then right now it ended.
Yeah.
Yes.
10 years going back.
Can you imagine many doctors right now, especially us, we call this alternative medicine.
Yes.
And many doctors will be on that box. But you see, when yun yung nasasabi, Doc, when the innovation comes, the former becomes obsolete. Yan yung technology. Terahertz, there's no terahertz before.
Right.
But we just have to be open about it. So many doctors will, right now we have 500 plus medical doctors. The scale is already removed. We have surgeons, we have neurosurgeons.
Cardiologists, oncologists.
Yes. And my gosh, I mean we are physical therapy, medtech si Mrs.
Yes.
si Upline. So nurse si Morris. And there's so many people. A while ago, I was doing live some of my, ngayon lang ako nag-live ng presentation. Ang dami nag-message kanina mga PT na katulad namin. Pwede ba to sa pasyente ko? Pwede ba to sa pasyente ko? Sabi ko, grabe ang market. As in, wow. Amazing.
Yes.
Thank you,
and
Doc.
from that one, my patients with whom yung sinasabi congenital or genetic,
Yeah.
they will get better with like I'm doing already for my psoriasis patients. Yes.
Thank you, Doc.